Hello friends, welcome to the channel Biochemistry 1. In this video, I am going to talk about online lecture series on advances in life science research. The Department of Biochemistry SUK and Department of Microbiology SUK have jointly organized online lecture series on advances in life science research from 8th February to 20th February 2022 under the UGC Stride Component 1 and Maharashtra Academy of Sciences Kolhapur chapter. In this online lecture series, 10 most talented resource persons will guide us on various topics related to advances in life science research. This is the link for registration. To attend online lecture series, you need to join this WhatsApp group. Both links are present in the description box. The link for lecture will be given on the WhatsApp group. On 8 February 2022, Professor Abdullah Mohammad Shoail will guide us on the topic Applied Research in Plant Biotechnology at 12:30 pm. On 10th February, Dr. Mittal Jadhav ma'am will guide us on the topic Metal Recovery by Bio-ion Flotation using Biosurfactants at 4:30 pm. On 11th February, Dr. Avinash Sonavane sir will guide us on the topic Drug Discovery at 11:30 am. On 12th February, Professor Arun S. Karat sir will guide us on the topic Antibiotic Resistance at 10:30 am. On the same day, Dr. Swapnil Fugre sir will guide us on the topic Vaccine and its Analytics at 4:30 pm. On 14th February, Dr. Ashok Giri sir will guide us on the topic Proteomics Research at 4 pm. On 15th February, Dr. Narendra Sapkar sir will talk about cancer biology at 10 am. On same day, Dr. Amar sir will talk about applications of NGS in surveillance of human and animal pathogens at 2 pm. On 16th February, Professor Dr. Kisan Kodam sir will talk about bioremediation at 4 pm. On 18th February, Dr. Rajesh Gache sir will talk about recent advances in diabetic at 4:30 pm. For more information, these are the contact numbers. If you are visiting the channel first time, then please press the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Have a great day.